Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we are going to learn how to see number of patrons in the Patreon app. So let's get started. So first of all, what you need to do is download the Patreon app and log in with your email account or your normal account. So after that we will open the app by clicking on it. Let it load. Now here you can see that I follow a person or a page. So what you need to do in order to see a patron, so head to the search post tab, and here you can find a creator. Suppose I want to add PA. Now here's a creator which I can see. So I want to see Mr. Primate's patron. Now what you need to do is just click on. After that it's asking for become a patron or anything else. Now I just have to click on this membership option. After clicking on this membership option, here you can see the number of patrons in this Patreon creators app. Now here you can see that there are 10,030 patrons that are circularly active right now and are using his post and creative, and are a member of his post. So now, as you wanted to learn how to see number of patrons, this is how you see number of patrons in a creator. Suppose I want to see another creators patrons, I will just click on the membership. After that it will show me per month budget, it will show me patrons available. So patrons are 7,693 and it's doing a good revenue of $10,000 per month, so that will be around 10 lakh. So this is how you see patrons in the Patreon. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. I hope this tutorial was helpful.